Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your environment: a clean surface, a charged phone, and the Ellipal device charged above half. Power the unit on and select language. This primes the secure enclave. Once done, install the official Ellipal mobile app and grant camera access so you can scan QR codes. Make sure your phone's network is ready, but keep the hardware isolated. Air gap matters. Now proceed to create a new wallet on the device. You will write down the seed when prompted. You will now create the wallet and secure the recovery seed. Follow the on-screen prompts to generate entropy and display your 12 or 24 recovery words. Carefully write each word in order on the provided recovery card. Once done, confirm the sequence when the device asks. Next, set a strong PIN, longer digits resist brute force, and enable an optional passphrase for added security. Once finished, the device will ask to confirm the PIN. Test it a couple times. Pairing is next. Use the app to scan the QR code shown by Ellipal and confirm the device fingerprint or ID matches on screen. This links your mobile interface without exposing keys. Once paired, send a small test transaction first. Verify the receive address on the hardware display and the app. After confirming the test, transfer larger funds. Finally, store your written seed in a secure, separate location and keep the device in a protective case. If pairing fails, reboot both devices and retry scanning. Check camera focus and lighting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.